From Scitech, creator and designer of some of the region's most popular science exhibitions. From the much-loved sports, special effects and whodunit, to space and flight, comes a brand new exhibition. With a universally popular theme for all ages, it's Science in Motion. It's speed. This exhibition, designed and built for both national and international audiences, will attract excellent general public and school group audiences at host venues. With a total of 17 interactive opportunities, divided into 3 separate areas, there's a lot of fun, enjoyment and learning to go round. There's the racetrack, the key environmental statement for the exhibition, with 4 exhibits. The full-scale replica of a Formula One racing car. A once-in-a-lifetime chance to explore the aerodynamic lines and specific design elements of a Formula One racing car. The pit stop. Experience the thrill of being in the pit crew. Can you do a 10-second pit stop like the F1 crews? The race simulator. Complete with steering control, gears, accelerator and brakes, the simulator is a firm favourite with all visitors. And pedal car racing. Adrenaline-pumping excitement for young and old in this computer-based competition to complete a lap of the virtual racetrack. Then there's the fitness testing area. 4 exhibits to help visitors test their race fitness. Eyes on everything. Assessing peripheral vision, reaction speed, coordination and concentration. Fit to race? See how heart rate changes under stressful conditions. Ready? Steady? Stop! Do you have the reflexes required for Formula One racing? And perform under pressure, completing tasks of increasing complexity in the quickest time possible. And then there's the workshop. 9 exhibits that help visitors understand the mechanical systems relevant to all motor vehicles. Build an engine. An interactive exhibit that involves identifying the key components of an engine. Downforce and drag. The effect of different car configurations using a wind tunnel to learn about turbulence, drag and aerofoils. Racing rims. A graphic demonstration of how acceleration depends on mass distribution. Collisions, a very popular exhibit that enables visitors to explore Newton's laws through interactive play. Giant ball bearing. Construct a ball bearing seat and see how the bearings reduce friction, allowing it to swivel. What's the diff? Experiencing how wheels can travel at different speeds while cornering. Gear change. Learn about torque and ratios while building a variety of gear trains and see how a real gearbox is arranged. Further but faster. Explore how potential energy is turned into kinetic energy and the effect of different acceleration curves. Tyre tread. Tyre design can have a dramatic effect on performance. Feel the difference and make your own tyre track rubbings. The Speed Science in Motion exhibition is aimed at 5 to 14-year-old visitors. However, it also holds general appeal for a wider audience. Speed will attract high general interest, as well as school groups focusing on curriculum areas related to physics and motion. Sponsorship opportunities are unlimited, and the exhibition is not restricted by naming rights or national sponsors. A total of 17 exhibits to attract and delight. The high-quality construction means that maintenance is low and installation hassle-free. The modular design approach allows for easy transport and installation. There's a full kit of press and publicity materials with media releases, launch invitations, poster artwork and marketing plans. And educational packs with detailed information, including curriculum framework links, visit questions, teacher resources and activities, and a host of cross-curricular ideas for speed. Speed, Science in Motion, is planned to tour a range of venues nationally and internationally from 2003. Speed from Scitech, the leader in science exhibition design and construction.